Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you a new mini album. This is a design team project for Country Craft Creations, and I am using the exclusive paper collection called Midnight Kiss, and it's a New Year's themed paper collection. Absolutely stunning paper. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you this book. So this is going to be part of a new series that I'm going to be doing. It's going to be called the 6x8 series, which means the page designs are 6x8, and you're able to go ahead, create pages. So over time, I'm going to be designing different pages for the books. And if you like one page design, you can grab that and then grab another design from another book, but they will be interchangeable. So just kind of keep a lookout for that. I will create a separate playlist on my YouTube channel, and I will put it as the 6x8 series. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. As you can see how stunning this paper is, absolutely gorgeous. And I use some of the gold foil paper that is in the shop, and it just goes ahead and frames out this paper amazingly. And the paper does kind of have like a goldish color tone to it because it is a New Year's Eve paper. So absolutely stunning. So let me give you some measurements. So the cover itself is 6 3/4 by 8 1/2. And the spine on this particular one happens to be 1 3/4, although you could go to 2 inches if you think you're going to really be chunking it out, because you can see how thick it is. So let me go ahead and walk you through it. So we open up, and on the front cover is just a set of stacked pockets, as you can see. I'm going to leave those out so I can use these along the way. So the first page here, it has a little pocket, and I used some of the cut aparts and made some photo mats for those. And then this opens up, so your cards and photo mats got tucked right in there, and then they makes all this stuff here just close up. So it opens up, and in the paper collection there are pockets and tags that you can go ahead and cut out and use. So I added that right there. Open up, here's a photo mat and another photo mat. Then I also had grabbed the graphic 45 dies with the butterfly wings. So I have this one right here, and I went ahead and created some unique pockets right here with the tags. Now if you don't have the die, you definitely can still go ahead and create this. The pockets that I put on here are just kind of a little extra on top, and room for a pocket over there. And over here, nice room here. You can go ahead and add a photo. There is these little 2 corner pockets right in here where you can go ahead and add your photo mats and stuff like that, which will keep all of this closed. However, I wanted to give you some kind of fun, unique page design. So this opens up just like this, so you can go ahead and put some photos right on there, and then it just closes down. And again, you can go ahead and stick in some photos, and that will keep all that closed up. And then we flip over to this side right here. So this is what I am calling a deconstructed waterfall pages. So you got room for several photos, but I didn't want to do a normal waterfall, so I kind of just I'm kind of calling it deconstructed because it's easy to go ahead and do. So lots of room for photos, different sizes, and then you can also go this way and right here. And then you can also definitely have room for some loose photos. And then the way these all close up, you don't have to worry about anything falling out. And you can definitely add more photos. And then just a little fun bit here. I like how you can kind of see the different elements of the photo mats. And then I just did a very simple little string closure just to keep it all nice and tidy. You don't have to do that. You can just leave it without any if you like. And the last page is a larger photo mat flap, and that will keep anything in the corner pocket here secured. If you're worried about stuff falling out the top, the way I put these photo mats here, you can definitely go ahead, put one on the top, and then it would just, you could just go like that and have it closed down. But lots of room for photos in there as well. Then we come over to the back side right here, and go ahead and add some photo mats just like that to the cute little pocket. This is one of the cut aparts, as well as this right here was also part of the cut aparts. And then with the bookmark collection, because you can get the bookmarks. So right here, this super cute one, I thought it just added a nice fun little element to my pocket right here. And then I did puff this one up here, so there is dimension on this. And I used some of the foam dots that I got from the shop to go ahead, and you can kind of see it is raised up a little bit there. And then we just start back over again with the next page. So it is 2 pages. And you can see how pretty this paper collection is. And then my little tags. And if you wanted to too as well, there's the pocket here, but with the tags, I went ahead and created a second pocket. So you can definitely go ahead. There's lots of pocket spaces. I did forget to show you that on the front one, but that one is also the same way. So when we made the pockets here, I just did it in a U shape with the adhesive. That way you have room underneath to go ahead and add more photo mats. Over here, I think this layout here, I love this paper color, the layout of these ones here, and I think it's one of my favorite ones. And again, the photo mats, the photo collage. Very pretty. And I hope you enjoy this album. This one is a cute, fun one, a little simpler for me. It's not a 3D project, so kind of get myself back on track from the holiday season. So I'm giving you something a little less challenging. Nice corner pocket here as well. And then the back here, the cute set of all these couples dancing. And then again, a nice set of stacked pockets right there. Alrighty. And super cute. And then I went ahead and just the whole back. Open it up. You can see how pretty that is. And then the gold, just kind of adding that little extra touch to the album. Alrighty, so I hope you enjoy that walkthrough. The tutorial will be coming out on this album. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy it. Keep an eye out for the tutorial. Alrighty, until next time guys, happy crafting. Bye.